Spring Everyday. So we are talking about create a complete Spring Boot project from web interface to SQL database. And in our previous steps, we have connected all the layers from web interface to controller to service to JPA, then to MySQL database. And we are able to show the posts or topics in the database all the way to the web interface, as you can see here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form in the web interface and then push the data all the way back into the database. So let's get started. First, we come to the time lift template and we create a link. And we would link it to a new page and we call it add topic. And here we should add new topic. Okay, so when we save and when we refresh, we will get the new link. However, this link would go nowhere because we don't have the page yet, right? So it's going nowhere. So now let's create the page and then we create the handler for the page. So first we come to the home controller and we create a GetMapper mapping, and we want to call it value equal to as what we just placed in the page, add topic. And this GetMapper is a method, and we want to see prepare add topic. And in this one, we actually don't need to get anything. We just need to, let's see, we want to keep a user here, user information. And we want to call it LeBron James. And we are hard coding username here for now. And later we will going to use the a authentication to get a user. So for now we just need to return to a view. The view, let's see, it's called a topic. And now we have the controller for it. However, we still don't have the view, so let's create a view. A view is always an HTML file. So let's start with the HTML. And that's a good thing. And what we do is bring everyday forum. And this is a sub page, right? So say add new topic. And here, let's copy what we have. Say hello. We want to maintain this thing so we know there is something come down to us. And username, say this is not welcome to Spring Everyday. This is tell them see you can create a new topic here. So okay, Now we have a view, we have a controller. So when we click this link again, they will get us to the new page. So you will see, hey, LeBron James, you can create a new topic here, but we don't have a form. So now let's get the form. Actually, the form requires quite amount of typing, so I have created here. Oh, I didn't save it, so I need to find it somewhere else. So and let's get the form here. Okay, so we have a form here, right? So let's see what we get, and let's refresh. This is error because we didn't get the topic which we want to use for the form. So now let's do that. Let's come back to the home, and we press that, and we need to have a form object for that. So the reason is we need to have a form object is because Spring does not want us to use the model object, which is already a entity. So we create a form object or form module. So first create a folder, and this is for all the form purpose. So now let's create a file that's called postform.java, and this is a module class. And to save typing, I will always go with data from Lombok. And for this form, we just want to have the body. So let's see, private string body. Okay, so that's it. We got the form object or form module, and now we need to have a new form created. Okay, so let's have that new form created. Model dot add attribute, and the name. The name is whatever we have here. Let's close all that so that we don't have too much to worry about. So the name is this topic. So okay, this topic. So we give a name called topic, and what is the value is we need a post form. So this post form, and with that post form we have a topic. So let's save it and let's refresh again. So now we got a form, and now it's time to explain what it is for all the details for the form. So first, we keep the HTML action and the method. This is just for make sure this template is just a functional HTML. But then we have all the time-lived tags. So to tell them what is the action is to add a topic, and I'll explain that later. And then the object is topic. So now we have an object actually behind the form, and the topic would have a label, which is topic, which is and a text array, which is exactly like a HTML. However, you have a time-lived tag which called a body. So this is the body of the topic. So this is how you reference the object using the $sign, and then you reference the field use a $sign. Now the last one is the button. the button is a submit type, and we just call it a post. And you can call it any name. For example, if you just want to call it, say, submit, and save, and if you refresh here, you will see submit. So anything you would like to call, whatever you like. I like post better than submit. Okay, so now this is all the form creation. Now we need to handle this action. So remember, this action is a form action, so we can handle it as a post. So now come back to this controller. Okay, so we need to create a post mapping, and this post mapping would be a value equal to topic. So this is exactly the same as this get. So once you use get, it will call this method. But if it's a post request coming to this one, it's a new method. So public string and submit topic. So here is, we need to use another annotation called model attribute. And what's the model attribute? It's the topic, and that topic, give me a second, yeah, name value equal to topic, and then it is a post form, and so it's a post, so we can call it a topic. Okay, and we got the method. Now we need to redirect, return. So first is redirect, and so that's already good. So we can click a post, and we can see it go back to the home page. It doesn't. Did I see? Redirect. Should be okay, right? Okay, so we are able to get back to the home page. However, it's not saved anything, right? So we want to be able to save that topic which we have sent back from the form. So now let's see how we save that thing. And first is the body. We need to get the body, and then we need to call the service to save it. Okay, now it's time to prepare the service. So public, and we want to see add topic, and when we add a topic, we want to give a author name, and we want to give a string body. So and we want to create a new topic. So it's a post topic equal to new post, and topic dot set author would be author. Okay, and topic dot set posted would be just now. Okay, because we want to simplify, and the date has to reference, And now then we see the topic dot set body is the body we got. Okay, now we have to call the post repository, and we want to save it, and we save the topic. Okay, so as you can see that we didn't do anything in the repository. Okay, so let's see where is the repository. It's in the data. So we don't do anything in the repository. We just use the save, because the save is a standard function. It's already implemented by GPA. So GPA will make sure you have this save. So you don't have to create or do any coding for the save, and you will save this body. And now let's come back to this one to see. Now we want to save it, right? So we want to call the form forum service, and to add that topic. So who is our author? Let's hard code a name. Let's see. Lang Lan. Okay, I like this name. And the body is the topic. Get body. So this is the topic get body. So I will show you later why we use this name. So now we had this line, and we do the add new topic again. Let's see this is a topic. Okay, ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Okay, so we post, and you can see this is a topic ABCD, and Lang Lang is here. So if you want to change the let's explain a little bit for what we have done. So you get add topic, and this add topic has a form, and which is this form, and this form let's make it a little bit smaller so that you can see it. So this is the form, and the form has a label and a text area and a button. And for more important is you tell the form has an action, and this action will connect the form to the controller, and this post button will trigger the action. And then you have a object, and the object is something you prepared and as a form object, and then you can use the field here. Okay, so this is the form object is here, the post form. So it's very simple Pojo class, and the reason we want to have a post form, number one, is because Spring does not want you to use the entity class. Okay, so this one is an entity class, and they don't want you to use it in the form or in the post mapping. Okay, so and then the second, the other thing is we have a get mapping to get this form. Okay, to get this form, and you prepare an empty post form for it, and then you will have the form, the empty object behind the form, and then you have to prepare a post mapping to handle the action. Okay, this action is to use the model attribute to get the form object and get the body. And the last thing is you want to redirect to the list page. So this is how when we come back to the to this architect diagram, this is how you create a form here and push all the data into controller and push it to the service and then push to GPA. And especially the save method for GPA is already implemented by Spring, so you don't have to do any coding here, and you can already see the object or the data has been pushed all the way to database, and being showing up here. So let's do one more test. Hello. Are you comfortable with this complete Spring Boot project? And you post and you come back to say, hello, are you comfortable with this Spring Boot project? So let's do one more test. Let's put down a lot of words here. Okay, let's see if we control that much. And we post it here. And it's a lot of things. And when we post, you will get an exception. The exception is because the SQL will have a definition for the field is only 255 characters long, and it's actually longer than the database can hold you. So what we will do, we'll do a validation, and that validation, we're going to talk about the validation in the next video. So thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.